Ideas to get perfect skin in your face. Oatmeal and baking soda exfoliate. You need to use this a maximum of once per week. How are you affected? A. Glowing, youthful, and perfect complexion. You simply need 2 spoons of oatmeal, 1 spoon of baking soda, and some water. Combine rid of it to create a kind of cream. The key factor is to buy a thick cream that may be put on the skin. Facial toner with eco-friendly tea. This is a great home cure to melt and activate the skin. To simply prepare a glass of eco-friendly tea with 2 bags. Once it's arrived at a boil and seeped, place it within the fridge for a while. When it's cold, soak a bit of cotton by using it and put it on the face area of the skin. You'll note an instantaneous alleviation and much more toned skin. Treating blackheads. A terrific way to get rid of them slowly and gradually is through an easy treatment comprised of low-fat yogurt and lemon. It's not necessary greater than 2 spoonfuls of yogurt and fresh lemon juice. Create a well-mixed cream and put it on the worst area of the face. Let it work with 20 minutes after, rinse with water. Should you choose this every day, you will notice results.